In today's rapidly evolving software landscape, security begins with visibility. The age-old adage rings especially true in container security. You simply can't secure what you can't see. Modern container images often contain thousands of dependencies, creating a complex web of potential vulnerabilities that need to be understood and managed. This is where software bills of materials, or SBOMs, come into play, providing essential transparency into container contents. Following major security incidents like SolarWinds and Log4j, SBOMs have become a core requirement for federal and enterprise compliance. Today, we'll explore two powerful open-source tools from Anchor that are revolutionizing container security: Syft and Grype. Syft is our SBOM generator, while Grype serves as our vulnerability scanner. These tools integrate seamlessly with Kubernetes pipelines and can deliver critical visibility and vulnerability data in seconds. Installing them is straightforward using snap commands, making them accessible to teams of all sizes. Let's get these powerful tools installed on your system. The process is super simple, just 2 commands in your terminal. First up, let's install Syft. Sudo snap install Syft classic. And now for Grype, sudo snap install Grype-classic. Think of Syft as your container's inventory manager. It generates detailed software bills of materials, or SBOMs, giving you a complete catalog of every component in your container. Grype, on the other hand, is your security detective, analyzing those SBOMs to hunt down any known vulnerabilities or CVEs. Here's a quick pro tip that'll stick with you. Remember, Syft inventory, Grype security report. Both tools are open-source projects from Anchor Flock designed to work together seamlessly in your Kubernetes pipelines, making container security a breeze. When we generate an SBOM using Syft, we're creating a comprehensive inventory of everything inside our container images. The tool produces machine-readable JSON output that can be fed into policy tools like Kyverno or OPA for compliance enforcement. This represents a significant advancement from early vulnerability scanners that only checked operating system packages. Modern SBOM generation extends visibility into language dependencies and binaries, giving us a complete picture of our container contents. Grype takes our security analysis to the next level by scanning these SBOMs for known vulnerabilities. It categorizes findings by severity, helping teams prioritize their remediation efforts. This shift-left security approach means we can identify and address vulnerabilities before deployment, making it an invaluable tool in continuous integration and delivery pipelines. Grype can even scan running pods directly from a cluster, allowing security teams to detect any drift between what was built and what's actually running in production. The real power of these tools becomes apparent when we look at their reporting capabilities. Both Syft and Grype support multiple output formats, including CSV, JSON, and CycloneDX, an industry standard for SBOM exchange. This flexibility allows teams to integrate vulnerability data into their existing security workflows and generate audit-ready reports with minimal effort. Integration with CI/CD pipelines and policy enforcement tools like Kyverno transforms security audits from periodic manual checks into continuous automated processes. Teams can store SBOMs as artifacts and use Grype as a gate in their deployment pipeline, automatically blocking images with known critical vulnerabilities. This automation is crucial for maintaining security at scale in modern DevSecOps environments. The landscape of container security has evolved dramatically. What began as manual security reports has transformed into automated policy enforcement, driven by frameworks like SLSA and NIST SBOM mandates. Syft and Grype represent the modern approach to container security, where visibility leads to accountability, and accountability builds trust. In today's threat landscape, knowing what's inside your containers isn't just good practice. It's essential for staying ahead of potential attackers and maintaining robust security posture.